Again, welcome sa mga tutorial. So, in a video, atong iskutan ang conditional statements. Ang conditional statements is actually three. F, hypothesis. So, kaning hypothesis is also called QP. The word conclusion is also called Q. And all in all, that is P implies Q or P then Q. And then F, the hypothesis is also known as intelligent guess or assumption. The conclusion as well is also known as judgment or that's decision. And then what to follow or what to assume or what to follow after the assumption. That's the next one. Now, conditional statement versus converse. So here's the concept. So conditional statement F then, and if you reverse that one, it will become the and then statements. If it rains, this is an example. It rains, then the road is red. Converse is this. The road is red and then it rains. And that is a true statement. Now, the idea is this. Not all conditional are true statement. For example, if it rains, then the road is wet, that could be true, and that's always true. But the converse is not always true. The road is wet, it doesn't mean that it always rains. There's something variables and other variables. That's why it's called a false statement. Again, in your screen, it's false statement. Number two example, we have here motorcycle is in good condition. It is safe for driving. If motorcycle is in good condition, then it's good for driving. And if the converse is true, it's good for driving. The motorcycle is in good condition. So that's the idea of converse. And this is a true statement. And this could be also a true statement. Another statement is this. You want good results. You must work hard. In conditional sense, this will become like this. And in a converse sense, we are reversing or interchanging the idea. Now we have here true statement and true statement. In anything we do, actually working hard is very important. Others would say it should be working smart. Now let's have another statement. At least 18 years old, you can vote. If you're at least 18 years old, then you can vote. And the converse is, if you can vote, then you are at least 18 years old. True statement and a true statement. Two segments are congruent. Conditional statement, if two segments are congruent, then they have equal lengths. Converse is, if they have equal lengths, then two segments are congruent. So if you can think of the answer, you can actually give a try. Next would be number 6. Statement is this. It is equilateral. It is isosceles triangle. If it is equilateral, then it is isosceles triangle. Converse is, if it is isosceles triangle, then it is equilateral. The first statement is true statement, but the next is false. Because if the definition equilateral equal sides, but the isosceles triangle is not all sides equal, but only two sides. That's the idea of this statement. Number 7 is congruent segments. They have the same measures. Conditional statement, this one. Converse is this one. True statement and a true statement. A rectangle has 4 angles. By the way, it's not always two sentences. Sometimes it will be given in this kind of context, only one sentence, and here it goes. If a figure is a rectangle, then it has four angles. Converse, if it has four angles, then a figure is a rectangle. True statement, false statement. Again, the converse is not always true with regards to conditional. An integer ends with 0 is divisible by 5. It's a conditional statement. If an integer ends with 0, then it's divisible by 5. The converse is, if is divisible by 5, then an integer ends with 0. And then, true statement and a true statement. X minus 40 equals 3. X equals 43. So this is how we use that. We use the given statement into conditionals. Converse is, if x is 43, then x minus 40 equals 3. So as you can see, this is not always true, because x could be any number in any situation. Let's wrap it up. So number one, conditional statements has truth value. So it could be true or false. And here it goes. If the given statement is the given statement, if it's a hypothesis and the assumption, a conclusion, if B. First, bottom line here. The recap quiz, can you answer this one? For your time.